Hello everyone, this Bria's here. Today we'll be going over letter identification and letter sounds of the alphabet. A, apple. B, balloon. C, cookie. D, dinosaur. E, egg. F, frog. G, giraffe. H, horse. I, ice cream. J, jellyfish. K, koala. L, lion. M, monkey. N, numbers. O, owl. P, pumpkin. Q, quiet. R, rabbit. S, sun. T, train. U, umbrella. V, volcano. W, whale. X, xylophone. Y, yarn. Z, zebra. And that is our letter identification of the alphabet and sounds of letters. So I prefer like once a day, once or twice a day, just so you can get enough, your child get enough practice. But you know, people have work schedules and everybody work. It's not a perfect world where we all can stay home. So I understand if you're not able to do this every day. So even like 2 to 3 times a week, I think would be sufficient enough to get them, you know, remembering how the letter look and sound and practice. Practice makes perfect. Alrighty, have a good one. Bye.